So do you own an e-commerce shop and want to use AI to enhance your shop like big retailers do? In the past several years, we've seen e-commerce explode with thousands, if not millions of people making money through different e-commerce websites. Whether you're running your own online store, experimenting with it as a side hustle, or want to get started, there's no doubt that there is an endless amount of competition these days. So what can you do to get ahead? This is where the beauty of AI comes in. It's not just about finding the right product anymore. The overall shopping experience needs to be great. That's the baseline. So to help your e-commerce experience, it's time to leverage some AI tools to get the ball rolling more efficiently and effectively than what you could have done just several years ago. Now, there are definitely a bunch of tools out there, and honestly, to list them all out would take forever. So what I've done is just go through a bunch of the products on this list and try to narrow it down to key 10 AI tools that will help you from product description writing to all the way to product discovery. So with all that being said, it's time to jump right into the meat of the video. But before we do, make sure to like this video so you can spread it to more people, and subscribe to the channel if you have the time. So first is content and copywriting. Jasper.ai, one of the bigger known AI apps for content writing, or also formerly known as Jarvis.ai, is a software that helps to create engaging content quickly. Its AI is noted to be looking at 10% of the published content on the internet, having gone through millions of Reddit threads, blog posts, website, etc. Some of the key features is that it has a Chrome extension that allows you to use AI everywhere, content writing that allows you to match the content with your brand voice and overall specific styles. It also allows you to optimize your content to rank first page on Google if you enter SEO mode, and has the ability to upload knowledge about your business to make it more customized, as well as create campaign assets quickly from social posts and more. It's currently priced at $99 per month for teams. That includes 3 seats. However, if you're an individual creator, you can pay $39 per month, although it's limited to 1 brand voice, 50 knowledge assets, and there's probably a limited amount of features. Then the next tool is Frase. This is another AI content writing tool that helps you create content that is specific for ranking on Google. It's noted to be trusted by 30,000 content and marketing teams from some well-known names like Coursera and Merkle. Key features here is that it has an SEO research tool that analyzes competitors. It helps create outlines in just a few minutes. It converts the outline you developed into a full-on draft. It also has content optimization of keywords that your competitors use and gives you the ability to visualize topics as well. Currently, there are 3 plans from Solo, Basic, and Team. The starting price is at $14.99 per month, where you get 1 user seat and can optimize 4 articles per month. Then the basic goes up to $44.99 and allows you to write and optimize 30 articles per month. Besides these, make sure to check out another video on 10 tools for content creation, which we've uploaded before, where we go a bit deeper into the AI tools that can help you with copywriting or content. Then for product discovery and recommendations. First tool on this list would be Vue.ai. While Vue.ai is an enterprise AI tool meant for e-commerce and retailers, it holds several badges of honor from G2, a business software and service review site. It has also been rated 4.5 by Gartner as well, and is well known to benefit retailers used by companies like Levi's, Nike, and Microsoft. Key features are that it has inventory and content management that helps you upload new products in a matter of minutes. They have a customer experience management feature offering clean customer data and personalized search results. It also has something called intelligent retail automation that automates processes such as image quality assessment and creation of retail imagery. And it also does AI-based optimization that uses retail data to forecast demand better. They don't have their pricing up on their website, but you can request a demo to learn more. And then there's also Syte, known as the #1 product discovery platform for e-commerce. Syte is a platform that helps improve performance via visual search and helps shoppers find the products they want. It has worked with companies like Prada, Pretty Little Thing, and more. While it's open to any type of retailer, it does seem that they target specifically brands in fashion, jewelry, and home decor. So if you're doing an e-commerce shop in these areas, Syte might be something worth noting. Key features is that it has AI tagging and merchandising, which improves text results by tagging your apparel and gives you a 360-degree view of each item through tagging itself. They also have visual discovery, which is run by their visual AI engine, which recognizes product categories, age, and gender. And this also allows shoppers to search for multiple items with a single image. Then there's also smart product recommendation, which allows them to provide personalized shopping experiences by giving suggestions across different channels. And they also too don't have pricing up on their website, so you would probably have to request for a demo. Another part of e-commerce is customer experience. You can turn to platforms like LivePerson, which focuses on the idea of conversation instead of robotic responses. It's a conversational AI company trusted by big names like Burberry and Consensus. Each month, their conversational cloud powers billions of conversational interactions. Some of the key features here is that Conversational Cloud gives you the ability to automate messages, calls, and view in consumer insights. And then they have a generative AI feature which allows you to create context-aware summaries and have automated virtual assistants. They also have a very useful reporting dashboard which gives you insight into conversational efficiency and mitigate any risks that are foreseen. With pricing, you need to request a quote to get an exact price, but you can pay as you go. So paying only for the amount of seats you hold, and can also sign an annual contract with them. So they're relatively flexible. And then there's also Manychat, which is an AI-powered chatbot platform that enables brands to automate customer conversations, particularly on popular platforms like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp. It's trusted by many businesses such as Mindvalley, Nike. And some of the key features is that custom chatbot flow to give you the ability to create actions, responses, and messages that keep the conversation going with your customer. They also have automated drip sequences, which allow you to create a sequence of conversational events. And you can implement interactive conversations on the messenger of your choice to sort of help upsell or guide customers to buy more. They do offer a free plan with obvious limitations. They also offer a pro plan, which is only going for $15 per month, and a premium one, which goes for $300 per month, but you can also speak to sales for perhaps a discount. And then if you want to do something that goes beyond just content writing, there's content generation tools. Oxolo is an AI video generation tool that allows you to create video ads with just a few clicks. There's a list of AI actors you can choose from to appear in your video. The key features here is that optimized learning makes Oxolo's AI learn from previous videos, and then so every video gets better. The editor also allows you to make edits to the video directly if you want to change something. The analytics dashboard that gives you more transparency over your video insights also helps to know how your customers interacted with the video. There are 4 different plans: free, basic, business, and enterprise. Of course, free comes at no cost, but is limited to 15 credits. Basic, on the other hand, jumps to $59.99 per month at 55 credits. Business then goes up to $499 per month and with 600 credits. And then the next tool here is then Pixelcut. This is an AI tool that helps you create awesome product photos. You can remove backgrounds, add AI-generated backgrounds, and even scale images to make them pop. Some key features is that Background Remover eliminates background images from existing photos and allows you to place modified custom backgrounds instead. Magic Eraser gives you the power to erase and eliminate items from existing photos so that they are super clean to use. And then their Image Upscaler allows you to improve the quality of your image so they are crystal clear. Much like many of the tools out there, you'd need to contact them for more information about price. And of course, with e-commerce, you also need to do paid ads if you want to kind of scale your e-commerce shop. Adcreative.ai, known as the #1 AI tool for advertising, helps create AI-generated ads that are fit for banners, social media, and other display channels. Trusted by hundreds of brands from LinkedIn to Amazon, they even got their New York Times ad and are supported by G2 Syte as one of the best. Some key features is that they have generative text, which gives you the ability to create conversion-based copy and headlines for your ads. They generate social media posts at the click of a button, making the ads perfect for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. And then of course, Competitor Insights use AI to analyze different competitors, top performing ads, and gain insights into their traffic source and demographics. Currently, they have several different plans for both startups, professional, and agencies. Their starter plan goes for $21 per month, while their premium is at $44 per month, and their most popular ultimate plan is at $74 per month. And then another tool for ads is Madgics. Now this is a super packed tool with a lot of different solutions of products. It uses AI to track and automate the ad making process and has been used by 250,000 different ad accounts. They are also a Google and Meta partner. Key features here that they provide is predictive targeting, which gives you the ability to use AI to find the best audiences that your ads would work for. And they also have a media buying AI, which continuously audits your ads and gives recommendations on how to improve your results through suggestions. You can also generate and analyze your creatives from high converting copy to insights on how to improve your overall visuals. You can start with their all-in-one package for $44 per month and add on other features such as Magic Cloud Tracking for $99 per month, or even one-click reporting for $29 per month. So there you have it. I am not sponsored by any of these tools. These are some of the tools. Some of them I have used, some of them I haven't, but I've looked at the reviews and everything. I hope that helps. AI is shaping how we shop. Embracing AI can give your e-commerce business that competitive edge as it allows you to stay ahead of the curve. And there's no doubt that AI is continuously evolving and changing the way we do everything. So in just a few years, the very way in which we shop will be completely different. So these tools are definitely worth getting on. But one key thing to always pay attention to if you're doing e-commerce is how people's shopping behaviors will change in general. From the steady growth of voice e-commerce expected to reach $80 billion to visual search advancing further, it's definitely worth noting what's bound to come in just a few years. So if you want to learn more about how AI is changing e-commerce or how we shop in general, make sure to watch the next video. And also like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can continue to be updated on the latest on AI trends, tools, tips, and tricks.